Hello, I'm Dennis McDonald. This is A1 Electronics, A1 Telephone. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. This is probably one of the final videos that we're going to do, probably number 5. This is a Texaco fire chief hat from the 50s and 60s, a child's toy. And we are working on a circuit for a friend of ours in Canada, Jack. And this circuit, his circuit is already on its way to him in Canada. And this is the second circuit that we have designed. It's basically the same circuit, but the second unit that we've made for Tim, who is involved with Jack. And here's the microphone. This is just tape. They would have to rig this little microphone capsule. They'd have to make some kind of plug for the manufacturing so that this microphone sits in this microphone encasement that comes down off of that hat. It comes down off the side. And so anyway, it's just kind of taped together, and we have a rubber band on the speaker to hold it in its encasement, and then the battery pack, which is to this helmet over here, but they have plenty of battery packs, so the only thing we won't be sending is this battery pack. Another thing I want to talk to you about, Jack, and this might be something that you guys will run into when manufacturing this hat. These 9-volt battery plugs that you buy, you may want to make sure which direction it's pointing. If you notice something here, this battery pack, the wires are coming out of the bottom. Okay, so if we were to hook this one up, these plugs, and I want to show you this just so you know, the plugs on this one for positive and minus are just the opposite of the original plug. So if I plug this one in that you can get nowadays, if I plug this one in, it would be backwards, and you'll run into, when the case is shut, so you only have so much room when the case is shut. So you see how this one is? The wires run out the back here towards my thumb. Well, if I shut this, if I were to put this one on, it would run this way. Okay, and the wires would go out the other way, so it's not going to fit. So you guys, that might be something when you're building these and putting them together, manufacturing them, you may want to know. That's one of the things that I found about this helmet. This plug is going to point, these modern ones are going to point the wrong direction, and you need battery plugs that point out this way. So that might be a problem that you want to look into, because every time I use one of these newer style plugs on this older style battery encasement, it's just backwards. So that might be something that you want to look into. So I'm glad I kind of remembered that, and because I wanted to tell you about that, and so you don't run into a bunch of problems if you guys manufacture this this unit. Guess you can hear that. I have the same deal. I put a little micro switch on the back here, and I'm tapping on the mic. And now I'm gonna and then I'm gonna blow into it. Hello, 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 hello. So you can see the amplification kick in. That's not amplified. And that is amplified. That's amplified there. Okay, and this one is for Tim, so I'm going to be sending it off to Tim on Monday probably. Today's Saturday, and it's just I don't think I'll be able to make it and get it off to him. It'll probably leave Monday. Anyway, there's a little project here that we're working on. We get phones in from all over the United States and Canada, and this phone here is from Holland, and you can see how it's designed much differently than something that was made in America. So it's pretty nice to see phones from different countries and the way they did things. And they had some pretty good ideals. This is really the hook switch, and it's very Art Deco-ish. It's really neat. Now the phone is a PTT from Holland. Try to show you the initials here, if you can see that. And it's a very nice old phone. And we are working on it for a customer. I believe this customer is from Texas. And since that was in the video there, I just wanted to give you a shot of it. It's kind of an interesting old phone, and that's what we do here all day long. Work on electronics and phones, and we also design electronics, so we do a little bit of everything here. Anyway, I wanted to show Jack that that's with it on, off, and that's the unit that's going to be going to Tim. I'm not sure if Jack got his unit yet, but it's on its way, and Tim should be getting his this coming week sometime, because I think we're going to get it shipped off to him on Monday. So this will be his unit. And just to show you a little bit of what it's going to look like when it gets there. So he'll need a battery pack, because the battery pack we're not going to send. It goes to that helmet there. And but I think Tim has plenty of battery packs. This is the original circuit. This is the microphone that never seemed to work out. Bell made this microphone. There's a transformer, a transistor, and a single resistor in this circuit. And then this hole, the speaker fit in this hole here. And this circuit from the 50s or 60s was a poor design. It never worked. It would work for a little while. The transistor would heat up and give out and eat up batteries. So this new design should be a much better deal for Jack and Tim. And if nothing else, it's a design. It's a design that's going to get him pointed in the right direction. And as you can see, I'm getting a phone call. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the video down, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please call or contact us. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. And goodbye now from A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. Thank you.